The Sunco lighting how-to video will help you quickly and easily retrofit your recessed lighting to feature a bright, low-wattage LED downlight. Our 5-6-inch retrofit LED downlight fits 5 to 6-inch cans. Before you begin, review the manual completely. Also, turn off the power to the recessed can. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, call a licensed electrician to complete your installation. You will need these tools to perform the install. Ready? Let's get started. If you are replacing an existing bulb or downlight, examine your current recessed can. Confirm the opening measures 5 inches or 6 inches, and the housing includes ears or clip holder slots. Sunco 5-6-inch retrofit downlights are adjustable. You can resize the downlight by loosening the screw, sliding the spring hooks to your desired size, then tightening the screw to lock it in place. For a secure connection and fast install, Sunco includes 2 power options to match the existing power in your recessed can, an E26 adapter and a TP24 connector. The TP24 comes pre-attached to each retrofit downlight for your convenience. Examine your recessed can and verify your power connection type. Does your can have a TP24 connector? An E26 socket plate? If you used to screw a light bulb in your existing can, then you will want to use Sunco's included E26 adapter. Simply twist the E26 adapter into the recessed can socket. No wiring is needed for this process. Sunco's included TP24 connector comes pre-installed on each retrofit downlight. Connect the retrofit to the E26 adapter by snapping the 2 TP24 connectors together. Or, if you don't need the E26 adapter, connect directly to the can housing. It's that easy. You are now ready to insert the retrofit. With both hands, squeeze each spring connector into a tight V until the ends touch. Then hook the torsion springs into the housing slots. Let go so the retrofit hangs from the can. If necessary, tuck the power connector wires into the can interior. Now, align the downlight's trim ring with the can opening. Push your retrofit downlight up into the can until it is secure. You are now ready to test your instant-on downlight. Sunco retrofit downlights like this one quickly install inside new or existing recessed cans. Use them in your home or office to fill each room with instant-on bright light. Improve your world with LED retrofit downlights when you choose Sunco, the brighter choice.